A 24-year-old from Jaipur named Rahul Sharma, no MBA, no coding skills, made 3,18,000 rupee last month, sitting in a 2 BHK apartment with a 6,000 rupee laptop. His only tool? ChatGPT. Right now, over 47,000 Indians are silently pulling in incomes their engineering classmates can't even imagine, and nobody is talking about this revolution. 6 months ago, Rahul was earning 22,000 rupees a month as a data entry operator in Rajasthan. He was one missed EMI away from calling his father for money, again. Then in March 2026, his college friend sent him a WhatsApp message, "Bhai, ChatGPT से पैसे कमा रहा हूँ, seriously." Most people ignored it. Rahul didn't. Here is what changed everything. In 2026, the global AI freelancing market hit $28 billion. But the dirty secret? Western clients are paying premium dollar rates, $50, $80, even $120 per hour, for AI-assisted work. When an Indian charges just 40% of that, they're still making to 4 lakh rupees per month. This is the India arbitrage nobody teaches in college. So what exactly are these Indians doing? Method 1. AI content agencies. Priya Menon from Kochi charges 45,000 rupee per month to manage content for 3D2C brands. ChatGPT writes 80% of it. Method 2. Prompt engineering consulting. Vikram Nair from Pune bills 8,000 rupee per session teaching companies how to use AI. Method 3. AI-powered YouTube automation. 1 channel. 0 face. 90,000 rupee monthly in AdSense. The numbers are genuinely jaw-dropping. A survey of 1,200 Indian ChatGPT freelancers in April 2026 revealed this. 34% crossed 1 lakh rupees per month within 90 days of starting. 12%, that's 144 people, crossed 3 lakh rupees within 6 months. And the average startup cost? 0 rupees. Because Chatkup this free tier, Canva free plan, and a Gmail account is literally all they use to land their first client. But here's what they won't tell you on Instagram Reels. 68% of beginners fail in the first 30 days. Why? They use ChatGPT like Google search, asking bad questions, getting garbage outputs, sending that garbage to clients. One freelancer from Nagpur lost a 55,000 rupee contract because she copy-pasted a ChatGPT response that had hallucinated fake statistics. The tool is powerful only if you know the system behind it. And this is where India has a hidden superpower. India has 93 crore internet users in 2026. We have the world's largest English-speaking youth population under 30. We have IITs, NITs, and millions of English medium graduates who understand nuance, culture, and context, the exact skills AI cannot replace but can 10x. The Indians winning right now aren't replacing themselves with AI. They're becoming the human brain that guides the machine. So here is your exact 30-day roadmap. Week 1, pick one skill, copywriting, video scripts, or email marketing. Week 2, spend 2 hours daily training ChatGPT with your niche prompts. Week 3, create 3 sample pieces and post them on LinkedIn. Week 4, apply to 10 clients on Internshala or Upwork daily. Rahul's first client paid him 8,000 rupees for a single email sequence. His second paid 18,000 rupees. By month 3, he never looked back. In 2026, the biggest risk is not using AI, it's staying comfortable while others rewrite the income rules around you. Rahul from Jaipur did it. Priya from Kochi did it. Vikram from Pune did it. Now the only question is, will your name be in this list next year? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. We drop life-changing money facts every single week that most Indians never learn in school.